This video is all about an exponential function that we should find the value of x. So you have 27 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 130. Now they said find the value of x. Now 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power 3. So 27, 3 to the power 3, all to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 130. Now, according to the law of logarithm, if you have a to the power m all to the power n, there's the same thing as saying a to the power m n, and interchangeably this is the same thing as a to the power n all to the power n. So when you look at these two interchangeably, you can interchange this power. So now you have 3 to the power x all to the power 3 plus 3 to the power x is equal to 130. Now I'll say let p be equal to 3 to the power x. Now substituting this expression, this p equal to this into this equation, you have p to the power 3 plus p is equal to 130. So you now have p to the power 3 plus p minus 130. Now you have p to the power 3 plus p minus 130 equal to 0. Now what are the factors of 130? You have 5 and 26. Now let's check 5, whether 5 is a factor of the whole of this. Now let's say p is equal to 5. If you put p equal to 5 here, you have 5 to the power 3 plus 5 minus 130. This will give you 125 plus 5 minus 130. So this is equal to 0. So that means p minus 5 is a factor. So now let's use p minus 5 to divide this in order to get the other expression. That is to get the quadratic part of the expression. So now we'll now put in this p to the power 3 plus p minus 130. So if you divide p to the power 3 by p, you have p squared. So p squared times p, you have p cubed. P squared times minus 5, you have minus 5p squared. So if you now subtract, if you subtract this to cancel out, minus times minus 5p squared, you have plus 5p squared. Then you bring down this plus p minus 130. So p divide this one, you have plus 5p. So plus 5p times p, you have p squared, plus 5p times minus 5, you have minus 25p. Now if you subtract, this will cancel out. You have minus plus 26p, because minus times minus 25p, you have plus 25p plus p. You now have plus 26p minus, you bring down this 130. So p divide this 26, you have plus 26p. So 26 times p will give you plus 26p. Then plus 26 times minus 5 will give you minus 130. So if you subtract, you have 0. So that means p to the power 3 plus p minus 130 equal to 0 is the same as saying p minus 5 times p squared plus 5p plus 26 is equal to 0. So That means this times this is equal to this. Now we have gotten P. From here we've gotten P is equal to 5, or P squared plus 5P plus 26 is equal to 0. So now, solving for this, we're using quadratic formula. So for quadratic formula, you have A is equal to 1, B is equal to what? Plus 5, C is equal to 26. Now let's solve for P. Now P now will now be minus P minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. So if you put in here now, will now be minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 26 divided by 2. So that means your P will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 4 times this will give us is 2, that is 104 divided by 2. So when you look at this is a complex number, so this is not, there is no real root here, it's a complex value. So that means we now resort to this P equal to 5 as the only solution to this problem now. And P, we assume P to be 3 to the power x, which is equal to now 5. Now taking the log, taking the log, the natural log of both sides, you have log 3 to base e, log 3 raised to power x to base e is equal to log 5 to base e. We can also use log 10 and base 10. So we can also say, okay, let me just change it to base 10. We say log 3 to power x base 10 is equal to log 5 to base 10. So according to the law of logarithm, if we have log a to base b, like a raised to power m to base b is equal to m log a base b. So we are going to apply this rule here. So that means you have x log 3 base 10 is equal to log 5 base 10. So dividing all through by log 3 base 10, divide both sides by 3 log by log 3 base 10. This will cancel and you have x is equal to log 5 base 10 divided by log 3 base 10. So according to change of base in log, so if you have log a base b is the same thing as saying log a base c divided by log b base c. So from this, x is the same thing as log 5 base 3. So x is equal to what? Log 5 base 3. So this is the final answer. X equal to log 5 base 3. Or using logarithm table. The logarithm table is written in base 10. So you have log 5 base 10 divided by log 3 base 10. So you look for these logs and divide them. And divide log 5 by log 3. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe, comment, like and share the video.